Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1000 amp 18 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 440 volt 3-phase, has 32 input amps, has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is a filtered unit with overall dimensions 27 inches long by 36 inches wide by 43 inches high. It is remote controlled. Here is the remote. We'll start it up now for you. Take a look at the oscilloscope wave. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.